Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com. After that you can click on this search icon, just click on it. Then enter your model number of motherboard Z790 Gaming Plus AX and then hit enter. After that click on product, then click your motherboard title. So guys, click on support. Select your operating system Windows 10 11. So both operating system installations process same. So first guys download. After that I show you installations, audio driver, Realtek audio driver, and click to download. Chipset, serial driver, and Intel management. So serial driver download and management engine firmware download. LAN driver, LAN driver, LAN driver, internet driver, ethernet driver, you can see same name, download. VGA driver, graphic driver, VGA driver, display driver, you can see. Click to download, it will start downloading. Then WLAN and BT means Wi-Fi and Bluetooth driver. So click to download, then Wi-Fi driver and click to download. So you can see after that you click on the download, it will start downloading. So it will complete, then I show you how to install. You just click on this location, the open download location. So this is your driver, so wait for complete. So guys, it is completed. So first download all driver. First select this and right click and extract all, and same locations just extract it. Okay, it will open and close it. Okay, this created this folder, you can see. Then info update, right click, extract all, extract, and same close it. You can, then this one right click and extract all, one by one do that. Then this right click, extract all, and then extract. So one by one extract all or your driver. Otherwise you can without extract and you just double click to install. But sometime we get the issues in this last. Then it is done and close it. Then just right click to refresh it. So This is your actual driver and this is also your, but this is extracted. So guys, first open this, select, right click and run as administrator. Then click on yes. So wait few seconds, this is installing. It will take some time. Okay, it will close automatically, means this is install it. Okay, it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then go to back. Then second one, same, select and right click to administrator, run as administrator and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Go back. Then third one, just select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. Because installations process very simple. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then fourth one, open, select, right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means install, and then come to back again. Then fifth one, same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed. Then back. Then second last, this one, and this is last. So open this, select, right click to run as administrator. After that, click on yes. So it is closed, means this is installed. Back, and last one, graphic driver, just open it, and the same, select and right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is installing driver, this is graphic card driver, display driver, monitor driver, you can say that. So it will take take some time. After install the all driver, then restart your system. Okay, restart so important for your system after install the driver. Okay, thank you.